What's up, boys? This is March 10th. I took 2 trades today, 1 loss and 1 win, which is pretty sweet. So let's get into it. Coming into the day, I was quite skeptical on how price was moving. I know we have this unfilled 4-hour fair value gap that I wanted us to come and tap into before moving higher, but we also had London highs up here on the 4-hour, massive 4-hour wick. Coming into the hourly, we had this hourly bearish that we just created, tapped into, while we were also in this hourly bullish that we seem to be inversing at the moment. Hold up, let me just get rid of this, the opacity. There we go. This hourly bullish that we were tapping into. I had pretty decent conviction because we were also in OTE of this bullish range. So we tapped into OTE 0.68, wanting us to continue higher to London, off open or off the fifth. There was not much on the 15-minute. We were sort of in these like useless 15-minute gaps, and same with ES. We were in this 15-minute gap here, bearish 15-minute, off open. You can see the market open. Let me just remove my trade. Market open candle, we pushed up. I thought we would come up to this high at least, and I'd just be able to go break even on a trade, catching it all the way to London highs. But the Nasdaq had other plans. After this bullish reaction, I entered longs. My stops were below this swing low here, targeting this high for about a 1 to 2, going break even at about a 1 to 1. We're in profit for a little bit, but ended up getting stopped out ultimately. And I pretty much straight away entered shorts again off this reaction. Stop loss was just here. My original target was this midnight open here. This is midnight open. We already took midnight open off ES and we pushed up, so that's why I had more conviction for bullish. But after we completely rejected this for no reason and inverse this 1 minute, I was able to enter shorts. The conviction I had for this trade going bearish was the strong Asia lows, midnight lows, and this unfilled 4-hour gap. I thought if we rejected so heavily off open and we didn't flush straight to London highs, I thought we would just want to be bearish for the rest of the day, sort of creating high of day, I guess, for New York session. We also tapped into this hourly bearish fair value gap. We already tapped into this bullish fair value gap, still making it a valid bullish fair value gap if we were to re-enter it, but it had already been used a little bit because we tapped into it, displaced from it, and now we're rejecting. We were also in this bearish 15-minute inside of, I think we were in OTE actually of this range. Let's see. Yeah, we did tap into OTE of this bearish range now, and also equilibrium. I was more focused on equilibrium aligning with this 15-minute fair value gap. And then 5-minute was super choppy, almost got stopped out on the trade. Very, very poor price action throughout this whole trade. But I did enter off this 1-minute inverse. Should have waited for the CISD, to be honest, confirming market structure shift, but I didn't. My original TP, obviously midnight open, but we caught. We just took full take profit here. If I went break even after coming this low and getting cooked by this, I would have lost it. I lost $455 on this trade, I believe. I was de-risking a little bit, and I made $1,000 on this trade. I think I can check all my executions and chuck them up on the screen for you. As you can see, this is my current account balance just on this 1 XFA. Coming into the day, it was at 51,200, so about 500 to 600 profit for the day. These are also all my executions. I guess I took the long off this candle. I thought I entered this candle, to be honest, but I guess I entered here. I would have entered just after the candle closure, targeting that highs, and the short I ended up taking was, well, I guess off this candle, but I must have entered a few seconds later. And then I re-entered with 1 micro here for whatever reason. This was with 6 micros. All the way down to these lows, so taking full take profit down here. Very sweet, very happy for the day, up $500-600 overall. So yeah, Hope everyone traded well today, and peace out.